Hi, David with Done With Care Auto Repair, and today I wanted to talk about how to keep from getting ripped off by your mechanic. Now, let me preface this by saying the majority of shop owners out there are honest, hardworking people. They're just trying to put food on their tables, clothes on their backs, and a roof over their families' heads. But there are some things that you can do to keep from feeling like you're getting ripped off, even if you're not. Number one, ask lots of questions. If they're being too technical with you, let them know. Make sure that you completely understand what it is that they're telling you and why they're suggesting the repairs or service they might be suggesting. Number two, ask to see the vehicle. If you don't completely understand what they're telling you, have them show it to you. Now at our shop, we use a digital inspection process, so we shoot pictures and videos of what we suggest, and a lot of shops are adopting that technology. But if your shop doesn't, you can always ask to walk back out and see your vehicle on the lift, and they'll be happy to show you what it is they're suggesting. And number three, which is by far the most important, once you find a good shop, keep going back to them. Going to the same shop allows you to establish a relationship, allows you to build that trust. They'll get to know you and your vehicle, and they'll be able to keep your best interests in mind and your intentions with that particular vehicle. Maybe you want to get rid of it in a year. Maybe you want to keep it for 300 or 400,000 miles. Share that with them so they know what to suggest and what not to suggest. If you keep hopping from shop to shop every single time you have a problem, you have to reestablish that relationship, rebuild that trust. I hope that helps. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you're looking for a good shop, we have a Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description. You can join that Facebook group, and you're more than welcome to ask for a good recommendation in your area. We'll find you a good, reputable, honest, trustworthy shop that you can go to for years.